Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to talk about the strong Dogecoin metrics. Despite the little crash that we had the other day, Dogecoin is still looking strong. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that little notification bell so you can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. We had a fun live stream last night, late Friday night stream. All good. Bought some more crypto on the dips. That's right. We're continuing to add to our DCA ChrisPax portfolio. More on that later. But now we're looking at the charts, and Dogecoin at 6.35 cents, recovering well from the Thursday dip. And we'll see if we can get back over 6.5 cents this weekend. That would be our target. Bitcoin is struggling around 26K, was at 25.9 this morning, and looks like we're climbing just above 26,000 per Bitcoin, and we'll see whether that trend can continue up. But overall, with Bitcoin lower now than it was during the Thursday dump, but Dogecoin is recovering better. And so what we look at is Bitcoin dominance. Look at the Bitcoin dominance. After that big dump on Thursday, Bitcoin dominance continued to go down, was over 50%, now struggling just above 49%. I think over the weekend, we may see this come up a little bit more, but we will see. Also, the interesting thing is the shorts. Yes, we've got Dogecoin short positions. A lot of shorters are betting on Dogecoin's price to go down. Same with Bitcoin. A lot of Bitcoin shorts positions have been opened up, betting on the markets to continue to go down. So we will be watching this very closely. Could be more liquidations if the crypto market goes up, but still a little bit of uncertainty in the market. So there's Doge right now, 6.35 cents. What's going on? Well, we've got now a majority of Dogecoin holders now at a loss. We were talking about this last week when we were looking at over 50% of all Dogecoin wallets were in the green. That has now flipped to red. And that is because we had this dump. And once Dogecoin can get back up above 6.5 cents, I think we'll start to even out. I think the evening line is more like 6.7 or so, where we'll flip back to more in the positive. But we'll see as that goes forward. The MACD is on the downtrend. RSI is still very low overall on the daily for Dogecoin. But so with this 41% of holders of Dogecoin are now in the green. So that is negative 56% in the red. That's what we're looking at. But the number of addresses continues to grow. That means we're having more and more wallets, new wallets coming in holding Dogecoin. We can guess that is more new users, new buyers. There's always moving Doge around wallet to wallet, but typically when you see this continued uptrend in the number of total wallets, a lot of that is pointing to new users. So the active addresses have doubled. So that is more and more over the last week, more and more active addresses in the Dogecoin network. So that is good as well. And we have sentiment. Dogecoin sentiment on Telegram, mostly positive. Over 10 times the number of positive messages compared to negative ones. We're just taking this dump as like, this is crypto. Dogecoin's going to be fine. So the sentiment still very positive. Dogecoin addresses, over a third, represent retail investors. That's right. Dogecoin is primarily held by retail. And that's even more so because the biggest wallets that aren't considered retail are held by Robinhood. And Robinhood holding those on behalf of us, those who have retail buyers that have bought Dogecoin on Robinhood. So So we have this You Today article, Doge price up, while 340 million Dogecoin moved from Robinhood. Well, this is only from a wallet that is known to be a Robinhood wallet to another wallet, which my guess is actually another Robinhood wallet. Robinhood moves chunks of Dogecoin around very frequently. And not only do they have this number one wallet, the DEG wallet, that has 32 billion Dogecoin, today worth over $2 billion, but they have 5 or 6 other wallets that make up the other 6 billion Doge or so that we know that Robinhood has a total of 38 billion Dogecoin, over a quarter of all of the Dogecoin that there is held by Robinhood. And that is on behalf of us who actually bought Robinhood on Dogecoin. On Robinhood, we don't have our individual Dogecoin wallets. Instead, what we have is a sort of a wallet system that allows us to be able to take Dogecoin from the Robinhood wallets that own that 38 billion Dogecoin and be able to transfer off or be able to transfer in. And it goes back into these cold storage wallets on Robinhood, of which this one here, this DEG wallet, is the biggest one. But they also have, again, 5 or 6 other wallets that they move Dogecoin around occasionally from wallet to wallet. And that's all this is. This is not 340 million Dogecoin that Robinhood has sold. They just transfer it from wallet to wallet. Why they do that, I still don't understand. Vlad has never really answered that question about moving wallets, moving Doge between wallets, but that's what's going on. So overall, bear effect still creep on markets overall, but Doge and SHIB actually have gone up since then. Here's the Bitcoin chart. Again, Bitcoin down back to where we were in June. And look at the RSI down on Bitcoin, down to 18, which is the lowest it has been since back in November, the FTX crash. That's right. We talked about this on the stream last night, that's the negativity of Bitcoin. And some believe on the MACD, we're going to see this extended red, and Bitcoin is just not going to be able to climb out of this 26,000 range and may even drop further. So there's a lot of discussion about that. ETH as well. ETH has recovered a little bit since then, but still down. And here's Doge. Doge recovering a bit more than what we see happening with Bitcoin. So here's Doge, 6.35, Bitcoin just over 26K. We'll be watching this over the weekend as trading goes through. I will be live again Monday, 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. That's Boston time. Again, please be sure you're subscribed to the channel so you get notifications. Also, give the video a like. Always appreciate the support on the videos and everything else going on. We'll see you next time.